Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at the gaming benchmarks for the Lenovo Legion 7i for 2024. Here I've got the benchmark running for Monster Hunter Wilds. It's the latest game to come out from Capcom. It's going to be quite popular here, just as the last series were as well. And the methodology for testing here has been that we set to the highest preset that's available in each game, whether DLSS is part of that preset or not. It's included as the preset that's going to be selected, and then we run at the QHD plus native resolution of this panel that's 2560 by 1600, and I've taken some benchmarks here of 21 different games. So I'm going to play here the 21 different games benchmarks. Feel free to pause to have a closer look at the figures, but you can see here that the 4070 performs admirably into 2025, despite 5070 and 5070 Ti's being on the horizon. So we'll have to wait and see if those laptops really are a jump up and warrant a new purchase or an upgrade over the 4000 generation. But alas, the 4000 series laptops are still very, very heavy hitters and should not be discounted or looked over if you're in the market for a new gaming laptop. So again, thanks to Lenovo for sending this out so I can take a look and do some testing for you guys. Please click the like button and click the subscribe button. Also click that notification bell to be notified when there's new content available here. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.